If your Honda HR-V remote start refuses to work, you're in the right place. Let's break down why your remote start might be taking a day off. First up, check the basics. Is your HR-V in park? Remote start won't work if it's in gear or if the hood is open. Next, make sure all the doors, including the trunk, are closed tight. Even a slightly open door can block the remote start. Battery low? Both your car battery and the remote's battery need enough juice. If either one is weak, the system might not even try to start. Also, look for warning lights on your dash. If you see a check engine light or maintenance reminders, remote start is usually disabled until those issues are fixed. And here's a tip: remote start only works if your HR-V is locked. Hit the lock button on your fob first, then hold the remote start button. Still not working? Try moving closer to your car. Distance or interference from other devices can block the signal. If none of these quick fixes work, it might be time to visit your Honda dealer. Sometimes remote start issues are a sign of a bigger problem. So next time your HR-V remote start fails, don't panic. Run through these steps first. Got it working? Let us know in the comments.